Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Have you ever looked at a beautiful red flower and imagined that it could quietly support your heart, help your body feel lighter, and even become one of the most refreshing, healthy drinks for adults over 50? What if I told you that one simple tea made from a flower sitting quietly in gardens around the world has been loved for centuries and is now catching attention again for its surprising health benefits, especially for seniors? Yes, today we are talking about hibiscus tea, also known as hibiscus flower tea, a bright ruby red drink that looks beautiful, tastes refreshing, and may offer more support to your body than you expect. Many people over 50 spend years searching for expensive supplements, miracle drinks, or complicated health routines, while ignoring simple natural habits that have been around for generations, and hibiscus tea is one of those hidden gems. But before you rush to boil some flowers and pour yourself a cup, there are few things you should know, because timing, preparation, and even how much you drink can make a difference. Imagine waking up in the morning feeling a little less heavy, feeling refreshed, and knowing you are doing something simple for your body without turning your kitchen into a pharmacy. That is exactly why so many people are becoming curious about hibiscus tea, especially seniors who want natural ways to support healthy aging. So what exactly is hibiscus tea? Hibiscus tea is made from the dried petals of the hibiscus flower, and when placed in hot water, these petals create a deep red drink with a slightly tangy taste. Some people describe it as fruity, while others say it reminds them of cranberries. But unlike sugary drinks loaded with artificial ingredients, hibiscus tea is naturally refreshing and full of plant compounds that may support health in different ways. One of the biggest reasons seniors love hibiscus tea is because of its connection to heart health. And let's be honest, after 50, many people start paying closer attention to their blood pressure, cholesterol, and overall heart wellness. The heart works hard every single day, and over time it deserves some extra care. Studies have shown that hibiscus tea may help support healthy blood pressure levels, especially when combined with a healthy lifestyle. Now, this does not mean hibiscus tea is magic, and it certainly does not replace medical advice, but many people enjoy it as part of a heart-friendly routine. And the reason researchers are interested in hibiscus tea is because it contains powerful antioxidants that may help the body deal with oxidative stress, which becomes more common as we age. Think about it. Your body has been working for decades fighting stress, dealing with pollution, processed foods, poor sleep, and everyday wear and tear. Antioxidants are like little helpers that may support your body in handling some of that damage, and hibiscus tea is rich in natural compounds that may help with this process. But heart health is not the only reason people are drinking hibiscus tea. Another benefit many adults over 50 talk about is how refreshing and light they feel after drinking it, especially during hot weather. Unlike heavy sugary drinks, hibiscus tea feels crisp and clean, and because it can be enjoyed hot or cold, it easily fits into daily routines. Some seniors even replace sugary sodas with chilled hibiscus tea and notice they feel less sluggish throughout the day. Imagine opening your fridge. Instead of grabbing a sugary bottle packed with artificial colors, you pour a glass of naturally refreshing hibiscus tea with a slice of lemon. Suddenly your body gets hydration without the sugar crash. Now, let's talk about digestion, because after 50, digestion often becomes slower. Some people struggle with bloating, heaviness after meals, or simply feeling uncomfortable. And while hibiscus tea is not a miracle cure, some people find it soothing, especially when enjoyed after meals. A warm cup in the evening may feel calming after a heavy dinner. And because staying hydrated matters for digestion, any healthy drink habit can make a positive difference. Many seniors say they enjoy hibiscus tea because it feels gentle on the stomach while also being refreshing. And here is something interesting. Many people are surprised to learn that hibiscus tea contains vitamin C naturally. Now vitamin C matters because it helps support the immune system. And let's face it, staying healthy becomes even more important as we age. Nobody enjoys feeling run down or spending days recovering from minor illnesses. Of course, no tea can guarantee perfect health, but adding nourishing drinks to your routine can become part of a smarter lifestyle. And that is what healthy aging is really about: small habits repeated consistently. Now imagine this picture for a moment. It is a quiet morning. Sunlight comes through your kitchen window. Instead of rushing through breakfast with sugary drinks or too much caffeine, you prepare a simple cup of hibiscus tea. The deep red color fills the cup, and before you even take the first sip, it feels calming, healthy, and refreshing. Sometimes wellness is not complicated. Sometimes it starts with simple, peaceful habits. Another reason some seniors enjoy hibiscus tea is because they are trying to reduce their sugar intake. After all, sugary drinks can affect energy levels and overall wellness, especially after 50. Hibiscus tea naturally has a tart flavor, which means many people enjoy it without adding much sugar, and that alone can make it a smarter choice than sweet beverages. But here is something important. If you try hibiscus tea for the first time, avoid loading it with too much sugar, because adding large amount of sweeteners can take away from the benefits. If you prefer sweetness, try a small amount of honey, or simply enjoy the natural flavor. After a few days, many people find they actually begin to like the refreshing, tangy taste. Now, let's talk about weight management, because this topic becomes more challenging. As we age, many adults notice that keeping weight balanced after 50 feels harder than it did in their younger years. Metabolism slows, daily movement may decrease, and unhealthy snacks become tempting. Some people drink hibiscus tea because it helps them replace sugary drinks and stay hydrated, and hydration itself plays an important role in feeling energetic and avoiding unnecessary snacking. Sometimes thirst disguises itself as hunger, and before you know it, you are reaching for snacks when your body simply wanted fluids. Another thing people love about hibiscus tea is the beautiful color. Let's be honest, sometimes healthy drinks feel boring, plain, or tasteless, but hibiscus tea feels different. It looks rich, vibrant, and inviting. Even guests often become curious when they see a glass of deep red tea on the table. And if you enjoy experimenting, you can add slices of orange, lemon, mint leaves, or even cinnamon to change the flavor naturally without filling it with artificial syrups. Now here comes a question many people ask: when is the best time to drink hibiscus tea? Honestly, there is no single perfect answer. Some people love in the morning because it feels refreshing. Others enjoy it in the afternoon instead of sugary drinks. And many people prefer a warm cup in the evening as part of a relaxing routine. Because hibiscus tea is naturally caffeine-free, it may be a comforting option late in the day, unlike coffee or strong tea, which sometimes disturbs sleep, especially in seniors. Speaking of sleep, many adults over 50 struggle with restless nights, waking up too often, or simply feeling tired in the morning. While hibiscus tea is not a sleeping medicine, some people enjoy calming caffeine-free drinks in the evening because it becomes part of a relaxing bedtime routine. Sometimes the ritual itself helps your body slow down. Think about it. For years, life moves fast: work, family responsibilities, stress, endless routines. And then suddenly health becomes a priority. Creating peaceful moments matters more than ever, and something as simple as preparing tea can feel surprisingly comforting. Now, before you start drinking several cups a day, there is something important to mention. Hibiscus tea may not be suitable for everyone, especially people taking certain medications or managing specific health conditions, particularly related to blood pressure. Because hibiscus tea may affect blood pressure levels, it is always smart to speak with your healthcare professional if you have concerns or take regular medicines. This is not about fear. It is simply about being informed. Natural does not always mean perfect for everybody, and the smartest approach is balance. So, how do you prepare hibiscus tea at home? The good news is it is incredibly simple. All you need are dried hibiscus petals and hot water. Add the petals to hot water. Let them steep for several minutes. Strain the tea and enjoy it warm or chilled. Some people even make a large batch and keep it in the refrigerator for a refreshing drink during the day. If you want extra flavor, add lemon slices, ginger, or mint leaves. And during warmer months, iced hibiscus tea can feel incredibly refreshing, especially when served cold. Let me tell you a quick story. Imagine a retired couple both try and make healthier choices. After years of busy routines, they start small morning walks, lighter meals, and instead of sugary drinks, they begin keeping homemade hibiscus tea in the fridge. At first, it is just curiosity, but over time it becomes a daily habit, not because somebody forced them, not because it was trendy, but because it made them feel refreshed and reminded them to care for themselves. Sometimes healthy living begins with one simple choice repeated daily. Many seniors believe health changes require huge sacrifices, strict diets, or expensive products, but often the most powerful habits are surprisingly simple. Drink more water, choose nourishing foods, move your body, and find healthy alternatives that actually feel enjoyable. Hibiscus tea can fit into that picture for many people. And here is something beautiful about growing older. Wisdom teaches us that caring for the body is not punishment. It is appreciation. Your body has carried you through decades of memories, challenges, victories, heartbreaks, and beautiful moments. And after 50, it deserves kindness, not neglect. That is why drinks like hibiscus tea are becoming more popular, not because they promise impossible miracles, but because they remind people that small, healthy habits matter. Now imagine replacing just one unhealthy drink each day with hibiscus tea over weeks and months. That simple switch could become part of a healthier routine without feeling difficult. And unlike complicated wellness trends, hibiscus tea feels approachable, affordable, and easy to enjoy. Of course, no tea can replace healthy meals, movement, good sleep, or proper medical care. But healthy living rarely depends on one giant decision. It grows from small, everyday actions. And sometimes a simple red tea becomes part of that story. Before we finish, I want to remind you of something important. Whenever you hear about natural remedies online, stay curious. But stay balanced to avoid expecting overnight miracles. Health improvements take patience, consistency, and smart habits. But if you are looking for a refreshing, caffeine-free drink that may support your wellness and feels enjoyable, hibiscus tea might be worth trying. And who knows, maybe the next time you see that bright red cup sitting on your table, you will smile knowing that something so simple can feel so refreshing and comforting, especially during the journey of healthy aging. If you found this video helpful, make sure you stay connected, because healthy living after 50 does not need to feel confusing or overwhelming. Sometimes the best tips are the simple ones, the forgotten ones, and the natural habits people have quietly used for generations. Take care of yourself, stay healthy, stay positive, and remember, every small healthy step you take today is an investment in feeling better tomorrow.